Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas on the northern end of the strip, where between the Venetian and the Palazzo, we're going to check out the Grand Canal shops, because I feel like shopping today. And of course, no shopping experience is complete without gondolas and singing gondoliers. I think out of all the malls here on the Las Vegas Strip, and there's plenty of them, the Grand Canal shops is one of my favorite malls. Unlike the shops at Crystal's and the shops at Wynn, this is more medium price for the average person, and I'm about as average as you can get. Hold on tight. And then there's the Forum shops at Caesars, which also has some great theming, but not as good as the Grand Canal shops. And of course you have Fashion Show Mall right across the street basically, and it's huge, and it's just like any typical mall in America, only bigger. Then you have Miracle Mile Mall, which is got some nice stores, but there's no theming whatsoever. Again, just like your average mall anywhere in America. And there's many more malls here on the Las Vegas Strip. I'm not going to mention all of them. I just wanted to make the point that I like this one. So come on, let's head inside. Okay. When was the last time you walked into a mall and it had a ceiling like this? Now, the only people raising their hand right now should be people who have been here before. By the way, if you raise your hand every time I ask a question in one of my videos, I think you need a checkup from the neck up. And the website says, shop, dine, and experience Grand Canal shops at the Venetian Resort, an extraordinary Venetian-inspired shopping and dining destination on the famous Las Vegas Strip. The Shops is home to more than a dozen world-class and award-winning dining venues, in addition to over 160 signature stores and premier luxury brands. Venice has never been more vibrant, with daily live entertainment, romantic gondola rides, and a colorful waterfall and garden in the signature atrium. Now, I don't know why the description here on the website doesn't mention the Palazzo, but the Grand Canal shops does connect the Palazzo to the Venetian, two wonderful, beautiful, luxurious hotels and casinos.
Oh mon Dieu, les ramène vers toi. Mon Dieu, les ramène en séjour vers toi. Précède sacré. Ouvrons nos bras, l'enfant égaré. Nous rappelons son précepte sacré. Ouvrons nos bras à l'enfant égaré. Si la rigueur et la vengeance le font haïr, ta sainte loi que séjour vers toi.
By the way, that big open area that we were just in is St. Mark's Square, and just like in Venice, it's the pretty much ground zero for this mall, just like the real St. Mark's Square is ground zero for the city of Venice. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Obviously, there's lots of restaurants here at the Grand Canal Shops, but this would be the food court here, and it does feature a Johnny Rockets. Another important note about this mall is I defy anyone to come in here and not get lost. Jeff from New York is a easily confused person, to say the least, and I get lost often, but it's not just me, because I talk to other people when they're shopping in the Grand Canal Shops, and they all say the same thing. They just have no idea where to get back to where they came from. My advice to family and friends who like to split up while shopping: don't. But if you must split up, my advice is to pick a destination outside this mall, somewhere along the strip where you can meet as far as a place and time, not inside the mall. Unless, of course, you're looking to lose your significant other or children forever, then I would suggest you have a meeting place inside this mall. You'll never see them again. Hold on tight.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tuo giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tuo giro d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tuo giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tuo giro d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, gran bustacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante. Non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tuo giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tuo giro d'amor. Che Robin alla vittoria, alle gloria militar, cherubin voilà vittoria, alle gloria militar, alle gloria militar, alle gloria militar.
Okay, I have no idea where I am. I know I'm at the Grand Canal shop, somewhere in between the Palazzo and the Venetian. I thought I was walking in a straight line, but I ended up at St. Mark's Square twice. I asked one of the gondoliers where I was, and he said, "You're in Venice!" To which I replied, "Grazie." But you know what? Getting lost in the Grand Canal shops is really not a bad thing. Alright, I admit it, I have no idea where I am. I think I'm heading back to the food court, which is okay with me because I'm a little hungry and I can go for a burger at Johnny Rockets. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Alrighty then, that's pretty much it for the Grand Canal shops here between the Palazzo and the Venetian. And have you been here before? What do you think? Leave a comment below.
If you put a buck in my cup, I am going to shut the up. And you ain't gotta be a baller to give me a dollar.
Last time I saw a buck in the cup guy, he was asking for a grant in his pant. I guess inflation's taking its toll. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.